Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make a chili cheese dog and a chili coleslaw dog. They're easy to make and delicious, so let's get started with the video. Begin by preparing your ingredients. Dice 2 onions, one for your chili and the other for toppings. Next, in a bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix everything together until well combined. In a bowl, add 16 ounces of coleslaw mix and then add your mixture from before into the bowl. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, place your coleslaw in the fridge until you're ready to use it later. In a pot over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add 1 pound of the ground meat of your choice. I used ground turkey meat, and 1 diced onion. Next, season your meat. I seasoned mine with seasoned salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and Creole seasoning. Continue to cook your ground meat until it is browned. Once your meat is cooked, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Cook the garlic for about a minute or so and then add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of light brown sugar. Then mix everything together. Next, add a half a cup of chicken broth. Now let your chili simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your chili will become thick and you will be all finished. Set your chili to the side until you're ready to assemble your hot dogs. This part's optional, but you can cut slits into your hot dog. I heard somewhere that it helps the hot dogs cook better and it looks cool. In a pan over medium heat, cook your hot dogs for 2 to 4 minutes or until they have browned on each side. When your hot dogs have finished cooking, take them out of the pan. Now using the same pan, add your hot dog buns. Once you've added your hot dog buns, add a bit of water in the pan and then place a lid on top and let your hot dog buns steam. Steam your buns for about 2 to 3 minutes and then take them out of the pan. Now that everything is ready, you can now begin assembling your hot dogs. And this is the finished result. These chili dogs were so good, and they were really easy and simple to make. I especially liked the chili coleslaw dog. Oh, and the hot dog with jalapenos on it was also good. I ended up adding some onions afterwards and it tasted amazing. I definitely recommend giving these a try. There's a place I used to go to that sold really good hot dogs, but unfortunately it shut down, which is why I wanted to make mine similar to theirs, and I was successful. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!